first you're gonna do is go to your Google Chrome and search for capwing.com in your search bar. This is a website where you can make and create videos and edit images and videos and make GIFs. Now when you scroll down, you can see resizer at the left hand side. Then what you need to do is click on the resizer. Then now click on upload file and choose any file from your gallery to upload so that you can use it. Now this is the image I'm going to use, but now I'm going to post the red handle in my Instagram page. I'm going to use the red one, not the blue one. This is a PS5 handle, so I'm using the red handle for this tutorial so that I can show you how this works. And this is how I'm cropping this. As you can see, you need to click on the blue icon as you can see on the screen so that you can zoom in. And I'm using 4x5 for this tutorial because this is perfect for the Instagram. If you're posting it on Instagram, you're going to use 4x5. You can see the option down below for this tutorial. I'm up, so you can check it. Now I've finished editing it. You can sign in if you want to remove the watermark, as you can see down at the right hand side, at the bottom right hand side. You can download it direct, or you can right click. You can long press on the image and click on download if you want. I'm going to show you. See, now I'll long press it, click on download image. As you can see, my file is downloading. Now I'm going to open it and go to my Instagram. This is my Instagram. As you can see plus icon on the top right hand side. Then you have to click on that. This is the photo. Then you have to click on the arrow on the top right hand side. Click on the arrow on the top right hand side again. As you can see, I don't need to crop it since I have used the capwing.com to do that. Now I've posed what I want. As you can see, I've removed the blue PS5 handle and I've posed the red one. I've cropped it, and please make sure you watch this video complete because I show more things for you. Thank you.